folded hazelnut cookies.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. In a large bowl, place 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1/2 cup of confectioner's sugar. Give that a stir until it's combined. Then you need to add some butter. 3/4 cup of cold butter. And I didn't film myself putting it in, but it's in there. Chunks of butter here. And you're going to cut the butter into the flour mixture. Basically, you're going to just keep chopping that butter until it gets into smaller and smaller pieces. You can get your hands in there if you'd like and just kind of rub your fingers together to try to get that butter broken up into small pieces. And once the butter is mostly incorporated into the flour, I turned it out onto the counter, kneaded it just a little bit, just so that the dough comes together. It's going to be a dry, crumbly dough, a kind of a grouchy dough, to be honest, but it is a good one. If you've ever made shortbread cookies, you'll know what I mean. That's essentially what you're making, is shortbread. I cut that dough ball in half, rolled it out between sheets of parchment paper, till it was about 1/4 inch thick or so, and then cut out some circle shapes using a cookie cutter. Then you'll put some Nutella in a Ziploc bag with the corner cut off, and I'm squeezing out about 1/2 teaspoon's worth of Nutella onto each cookie. And then all you have to do is fold them over. And this could be a little bit of a challenge because these are shortbread, so they're going to want to crack a bit. Then you're going to combine a tablespoon of finely chopped hazelnuts and a tablespoon of sugar. Mix that up and set that aside. Then you're going to put an egg wash on top of your cookies. That's 1 egg mixed with about 1/2 tablespoon of water or so. Blend that together and then just brush it on the cookies and then sprinkle with the hazelnut sugar mixture. Then you're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes or so until they are just the lightest bit brown on the edges and on the bottom. And there they are. When I put these on a plate in front of my family, the first thing that Max said, my son, was that he thought that they were pierogies. He didn't realize that they were dessert. Pierogies are little dumplings filled with cheese and potato, and they do look like pierogies if you don't know. So I was even thinking I'd even do a Food That Fools version of these. These are a nice light shortbread, and it has a great little hazelnut filling. A very nice little cookie that would be perfect on a Christmas platter and great with a cup of tea. Do you love Nutella or even Nutella? Then check out this playlist. Thank you so much for watching.